Hello guys, Boker Tov. Ayan, magbe-breakfast na si Inday. So meron siya dito tinapay. Ayan, brown bread. Ayan, tinost natin. Meron itong toppings na butnin. Ayan, nuts at raisin. At lalagyan natin ng spread. Ayan, laminarak. Meron tayo dito kape. Itong kape natin guys na ito ay walang sugar, kapit gatas lang to. Ayan, so itong napakasimpleng breakfast ni Inday. So ayan, napakasimple. So let's eat guys. Kumain na ba kayo? So let's eat. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Bye bye guys. So bye.